So hi guys, this is Serean. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to make another plain graffiti sketch using green, pink and blue shades of a marker. And happy new year to all who is watching this video right now. It's 2020 and I'll be soon in 10th grade this year. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's paint.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all
Outlining over and time to draw sexy lines.
I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
Oh, drawing sexy lines is very boring and it takes very long time, but now it's over and it looks good and I'm feeling to dance.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Dancing over and it's time to color it.
For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, one like will be very appreciating. I will show you the final result after a few more seconds, and if you haven't subscribed me on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it by turning on the bell icon so you could never miss my next upcoming video. Also, if you want a graffiti from me, then you can follow me on my Instagram account and DM me your name and I will make a graffiti for you. Thanks for watching and this is it.